This problem is for black to play. White's eye space on the corner is pretty big, especially with these two black stones ready to be captured by white. So if black tries something like this, then white can play here, and this will force black to either make a fence 4 shape, which is a living shape for white, or it would be something like this, right? Now white can either make an extra eye here on the corner, or it can make a real eye here. So white has no problem living this way. So what black must do is to try to make something out of the shortage of liberties that these 4 white stones have. So this move fails, but this might work, right? This will be a ko. But ko is not the result we're looking for here. We're looking for this move right here. So if white captures like this, now white has no more eye space here on the corner, and black can come in here and kill white this way, right? Because this will be a fake eye. So white's strongest response is to play here, and black still cannot win this race to capture. But in the meantime, black can make a bulky 5 shape like this. And no matter what white does, right, this will eventually be a bulky 5. And for the purpose of this problem, because black has an extra stone here on the outside, white will not be able to escape this way, right? Because black can easily seal white in like this, something like this, right? And white can only capture a bulky 5 inside. So that is the correct answer, right? If black tries anything here on the outside, what white can do is just to stand down here, because there will be a real eye guaranteed here at the 1-1 point, and capturing these 2 stones will make another real eye. So black cannot succeed by playing anywhere on the right. So it has to make use of the shortage of liberties of these 4 stones, and you can just try these 3 moves as black's first move and see which one works best. Thank you for watching.